Did you get a CP504 notice from the IRS? This is your final warning before things get real. I'm talking levies, wage garnishments, and the possible seizure of your assets. It's really the last stop before enforcement starts. Let me explain what it means and what you need to do right now. I'm Brad Paladini. I'm a tax attorney, and I help people with this stuff all day, every day. So let's break down the CP504 so you don't get steamrolled. This is the final collection notice. The IRS is saying you still haven't paid your tax debt, and now they're ready to start taking your assets. So this isn't a drill. It's really your last chance to act before it's too late. So let's go step by step. What does the CP504 notice mean? In plain English, it means you didn't respond to the previous notices that the IRS sent. They probably sent a CP14, maybe a CP501, maybe a CP503, and you still haven't taken any action to resolve your past due debt. So now they are threatening to take your state tax refund, potentially levy your bank account, garnish your wages, and file a tax lien against all of your assets. The clock is really ticking here. If you are in the notice phase, you are in collections, and the IRS is gearing up to take collection action if you don't act to remedy the situation first. What should you do if you get a CP504? Don't wait. Ignoring it puts everything at risk. So you need to take action sooner rather than later. Step 2, you could try calling the IRS and working something out, or you could work with a professional. You might be able to set up a payment plan. You could get on what's called currently non-collectible status or hardship status. You could file an offer in compromise to try and settle the debt. Whatever you do, you don't want to wait to do it. The next step is just make sure you document everything. Save those notices. If you call the IRS, take detailed notes of who you spoke to and what was discussed. The CP504 is a warning, but it's really not the final warning. There's one more notice that's going to come in the mail. It's going to come via certified mail. That is the actual final notice. And that could be either the LT11 notice, a letter 1058, or a CP90. So be on the lookout for that notice. That will really start the clock in terms of when a potential bank levy or wage garnishment is imminent. If you got a CP504, now is really the time to act. You don't want to wait until they've already garnished your wages or levied your bank account to take any action. You want to do it today. So if you need help, you could schedule a free tax discovery call with our firm. I'm more than happy to talk to you about potential options. If you like this video, please take a minute to like and subscribe. And if you have ideas for me on more videos, please put them in the comments below. Coming shortly will be a video on the LT11 notice. I'll also have one on the letter 1058 and the CP90, which is the really, really important one. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.